Okay, this is how to quickly save a link from a Gmail account. First, open your web browser or your Gmail mobile app. So here I'm doing it through a PC. Visit gmail.com and log in. Click on the email that contains the link. As the email opens, what you need to do is to right click on the link, because here I want to save this link for future use. Okay, then after that, select save link as. So this will open a folder in your PC. So select the folder where you want to download it. So here I want to save it in downloads. I'll click on this. Then give the folder a name. So here, let me call this spot link. Okay, then the next step is to click on save. So the link is saved. So once it's saved, you can always access it and use it. Let's go and check it out. So click on File Explorer, click on Downloads, which is where I saved the link. And look at the link here. You can see Spot link. If I want to access it again, that's to access the content. It's just to double click on it. Then I'll select a browser I want to open it with. Then, okay, let me select just once. I can see this is the web page, so everything is showing nice. So I can now read the content. So this is good. Maybe you feel like some other emails may overshadow that one. You then save it inside, all right, your PC, which after you use. I want to walk you through another thing concerning the same link. So it's an added learning. So if you want to open any link that is being sent to you, but you don't want to click on it immediately, you can right click and select open a new tab. So maybe you want to open it in a new tab. Okay, so select this option so that to open a new tab and open there. So you can see that it has opened in a new tab instead of clicking, and from here it's navigate from your email to that place. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Thank you, and see you some other time.